Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect NotebookLM with Claude. So let's get started. Before we start, it's important to know that there is currently no built-in integration between NotebookLM and Claude. For example, if you open Claude and navigate to the connectors section, you won't find NotebookLM listed among the available integrations. Even if you search for NotebookLM manually, no official connector will appear, and at this moment, neither NotebookLM nor Claude provide a one-click connection option. To link them together, you'll need to use an MCP server, which stands for Model Context Protocol. So open your browser and search for NotebookLM MCP, and the first result should be project's GitHub repository. Open that page to access the installation guide and setup instructions. Before installing anything, review the requirements section carefully. You will need Node.js version 1.8 or newer installed on your system. You'll also need a supported browser such as Google Chrome. The MCP project supports Windows, macOS, and Linux. Depending on your operating system, additional requirements may include WSL2, WSLG, or a Linux environment. Once you have confirmed that all requirements are met, scroll down the installation section. The repository provides a recommended installation method for most users using npx, which automatically handles package downloads and updates. If you prefer a manual setup, you can clone the repository directory from GitHub. After downloading the project, open a terminal and navigate to the project folder. Run the installation command to download all the required dependency. Next, you're going to build the project using the provided build command. And after the build process finishes, you can launch the MCP server using the startup command listed in the documentation. To connect the MCP server with Claude, copy the MCP configuration command provided in the repository. Choose either the standard installation method or the local build method, depending on how you install the project. Use only one configuration option. There is no need to run both of the methods. If everything is configured correctly, Claude should be able to communicate with NotebookLM through the MCP server. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.